welcome back. It's 11:13 in the morning and I am cooking for our lunch. So these are the ingredients. We have the potato, patatas, and we have liver, a pork liver. Then we have the magic sarap, bacon naman. And we will on the gasol. We have here already the spices, the garlic, and the what is this? Onion. Then we will init. We will add already the liver. Then additional ingredients is the flour or cornstarch. So hayaan lang natin siyang maluto. Then after this, we will add the potato. Ilalagay na po natin ang patatas o potato. Pagkatapos nito ay lagyan natin ng konting tubig. Tubig lang po. Tsaka kaunting asin at tuyo. Ilalagay na po natin ang tuyo. Tansya lang ito guys dahil wala tayong exact na measurement. Tansya lang talaga. Lagyan natin ng magic sarap. Then habang hinihintay natin yan na kumukulo pa, habang hinihintay natin, lalagyan natin ng tubig ang ating flour para mas masarap siya. Luto na po siya guys. Ready na for our lunch time. We will eat. Shideng! Ayan! Time check is it's already 1:26. Usually guys, 1:30 to 3 p.m. is my schedule for a tutorial class. So, naa si Sander, one of my student. Hi! Hello, Sander. Hi! Okay, so, we will end at 3 p.m. So, muna akong schedule. Every morning, we'll start at 8 p.m. to 10 or 11, and then 1:30 to 3 p.m. So, see you later guys. Mag-start na mi og tutorial class. Hello guys. Mag-practice day sila mga students. Okay, go na. Okay guys. After sa tutorial, muna akong buhaton. Maghugas ko. Yun lang po lahat guys. A day in my life. After my tutorial, wala lang, YouTube, Facebook, sa bahay lang pag walang lakad. And that's all. See you on next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.